Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to analyze another question from the previous year papers of UPSC Physics optional. Let's go straight to the question. The question is here, the first line in the pure rotational spectrum of HCl appears at 21.18 cm inverse. Calculate bond length of the molecule. Given atomic masses of hydrogen and chlorine are 1.008 and 35.45 AMU respectively. This question is a very simple question if you have studied molecular spectroscopy. So in molecular spectroscopy, we know that the lines appears at 2b, 4b. First line appears as 2b, the next line is at 4b, the next one is at 6b, like that. So the difference between two lines will always be 2b. So here it is given that the first line in the pure rotational spectrum, just understand, is a pure rotational spectrum. No need of any complications here. So the first line appears at 21.18 means 2b is equal to 21.18 centimeter inverse. That implies b is equal to 10.59 centimeter inverse. Now what is b? We know that b is equal to h by 8 pi square I into c, where I is the moment of inertia, c is the velocity of light. From this we can calculate I is equal to h divided by 8 pi square b into c. Substitute all the values. We know that h is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 8 into 3.14 square into 10.59 into here we take 3 c value of 3 c as 3 into 10 raised to 10 because we taken b as 10.59 centimeter inverse. So to compensate so that we get an answer which is in SI unit. So the answer will become 2.6441 into 10 raised to minus 47 kilogram meter square. So we got the moment of inertia, but we are asked to calculate what? We are asked to calculate the bond length. So we know that moment of inertia I is equal to mu r square, where mu is reduced mass. So from this, bond length, r is the bond length, where r is equal to square root of I by mu. Now the question is very simple. Only we have to find out reduced mass. Now we know that reduced mass have a relation 1 by mu equal to 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2, where m1 or m2 are masses of the two constituents at elements of the compound. So here the compound is HCl. We are given with mass of H and C in units of AMU. So 1 AMU is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. So we have to substitute that and obtain the values for M1 and M2. So from this, mu is equal to M1 into M2 divided by M1 plus M2. So we can find out M1. M1 is equal to 1.008 into 1 AMU means 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. So that become 1.68336 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Similarly, we can calculate M2. M2 will be equal to 5.9201 into 10 raised to minus 26 kilogram. So we have M1 and M2. Now reduced mass, if you substitute in this expression m1 into m2 by m1 plus m2, we get as 1.6368 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilograms. Now the question is very simple. Bond length r is equal to square root of I by mu. We have already calculated I here. The value of I is 2.6441 into 10 raised to minus 47. And now we have calculated mu. Here the values mu is also here. So we get the answer as substituting 1.2709 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters, or 1.28. You can write it as 27. That's better. 1. Uh, 1.27 Armstrong. So that is how we can solve this equation. So I hope everyone understood this. Only thing that you need to be careful about is the masses of the elements are given in AMU. So you have to convert that into kilograms before doing the calculation. So now you just substitute here and you obtain the answer. So we will meet with another question from the previous paper in the next video. Till then, goodbye.